Hey ladies, okay, I'm gonna show you something. If you're like me, I cut out my coupons and then I put them in a Ziploc bag and then they're not organized, and so I end up just leaving them in the car because I don't want to have to thumb through them all and it gets super annoying. So I've got the perfect product for you. This is called the Save Your Way Clutch by 31. It is 40% off right now, but it's only available till Sunday the 14th. So if you love it, run and get it. Okay, so it has a zipper, and I love that it has this little metal hook so you can attach a wristlet strap to it, but you can unzip it, and then once you unzip it on the inside, it is amazing. So it has a zipper pocket right here so you can keep change, whatever you wanted to. This could actually just be like a wallet for you. So I love that it has this zipper pocket so you can kind of keep change, whatever else you need in there. Okay, and then it comes with these cute little folders. So I kind of looked at all of my coupons and then kind of seen what categories they go into. So I did like cleaning and toiletries and food. We always ask for gift cards for Christmas. So when we have our date nights, we can save some money. And so when we go out to eat, I'll look in this little pocket for gift cards or coupons to go places out to eat. Always trying to save some money. And then I did like an other one, so if something doesn't fall in the ones I've made, they can go back here. So but if you pull it out, so if coupons aren't your thing, if you pull this out and turn it around, it has like a balance system. So if you did the Dave Ramsey money saving technique, this is perfect. So you could do like bills and then have your cash in here to pay your bills for. I don't exactly know all the rules for Dave Ramsey. I probably need to, but I love this. So it has, I love that it's accordion file. So it has all its own nice little pockets. I love that these are folders in and of themselves. So just tons of organization all in this little bitty product. So it's perfect. So if you know somebody that coupons, or if you know somebody that does the Dave Ramsey system, you should for sure share this with them, because after tomorrow it is gone forever. So this is the Save Your Way Clutch. It is on sale right now for $18, and it's only good till tomorrow, Sunday the 14th. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.